How to earn or how to get Sinnoh Stone in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can get or earn Sinnoh Stone in Pokemon Go. Now, there are four main ways to get a Sinnoh Stone in Pokemon Go. Let me guide you through first. All you have to do, the first step, is to earn a research breakthrough, that is by completing the 7 field research task. Now you'll get it at the research tab on the Pokemon Go, so you'll have to earn it by completing the 7 field research task. The other way is to defeat a Team Go rocket leader. As you know, on the game Team Go appears randomly, so you'll have to beat them until the leader appears, and you'll have to beat the leader as well. The third way is to win the PvP battles against other trainers. On the game you'll be able to battle with other trainers, so once you battle them and if you win them, you'll get prizes and you might get a Sinnoh Stone as well. The fourth way is to earn a mystery item in the Go Battle League. So you'll have to participate in the Go Battle League and you'll have to win it, and if you win the mystery item, then you might be able to get Sinnoh Stone out of it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.